Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to install a multi-channel IP CCTV system using a PoE switch, router, NVR, and monitor. Let's get started.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
Step 1. Install the cameras. First, mount all your IP cameras in the desired locations. Run a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable from each camera back to the PoE switch. Since PoE provides both power and data through one cable, no separate power adapter is needed. Step 2. Connect the PoE switch. Now plug each camera's Ethernet cable into the PoE ports on the switch. Once connected, the switch will automatically power the cameras and establish a network connection. Step 3. Connect the router and NVR. Next, connect the PoE switch to your router using a network cable. Then, connect your network video recorder, or NVR, to the same router. This allows the NVR to detect all connected IP cameras automatically. Step 4. Connect the monitor. Use an HDMI or VGA cable to connect the NVR to your monitor. Turn on the monitor and NVR, then follow the setup wizard to configure the date, time, password, and recording settings. Step 5. Test the system. Finally, make sure all camera feeds appear on the monitor. Install the manufacturer's mobile app, scan the NVR QR code, and you'll be able to view your cameras remotely from anywhere. That's it. Your multi-channel CCTV monitoring system is now fully installed and ready to protect your property.